Ashutosh Mishra ji, sir, what is Rahul Gandhi trying to do here?
BJP's vote is Rahul Gandhi saying that the constitution imbibes thousands of years of wisdom of thinkers and leaders who stood with truth, if you listen to what he has said, and earned the respect of people of India over the ages. And then he goes on and says that Savarkar was someone who didn't stand with truth and hence failed to earn India's respect. That's what is worrying BJP. BJP has a history of misrepresenting and twisting the facts. And this attack on Rahul Gandhi is part of its continued effort to get even with him. Let's remember, it was Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra with awakened people and cut down to size Modi government. Modi today has only 240 seats in Lok Sabha when he was going for 400 par. And it was because of his Bharat Jodo Yatra that all the talk about Mangal Sood Khatre mein hai and that sort of communal rants from and non-biological went down the drain. That is what is irritating BJP. India has, what Rahul Gandhi is saying, that India has this culture, this wisdom of live and let live,
right,
which BJP has a problem with.
So you are saying Rahul, sir, मैं ये गलत बोल रहा हूं, आप बताइए, is this some agenda या कोई मैं misleading बात कर रहा हूं?
अब जो सेकुलर इंसर्ट करना पड़ा उसकी वजह ये थी कि उस समय it was felt that the powers, the communal powers which are ruling India today, who at that when Sardar Patel had asked them to give in writing, they inserted in their constitution that they will not participate in politics. But then they put on this mask, whether it be Jansangh that time or BJP today. And what had Sardar Patel warned India against? He had warned India against the poisonous ideology which led to the murder of Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay.
The problem, India when it was freed, Mahatma Gandhi was killed because he wanted to be secular.
Ashutosh ji, can I ask you something? आप बोल रहे हैं RSS has a poisonous ideology. You agree with that? अभी आपने ही बोला ना?
Sardar Patel said that.
नहीं, आपने बोला RSS has a poisonous ideology.
Patel.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर आपकी.
I am quoting Sardar Patel.
No, you believe in it? Do you believe RSS has a poisonous ideology?
I totally disagree with its ideology, yes.
Yeah, poisonous है तो एक काम कीजिए सर, write a letter to the Congress ruled governments. उनको बोलिए बैन कर देने. कर पाएंगे आप लोग? नहीं कर पाएंगे. मैं बता रहा हूं. नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूं. This is no. This is trial by fire. If you really believe RSS is poisonous, no.